2025 TRC. It's going to be a stacked event.
I think it's a very, very exciting conference.
The Reliability Conference 2025 will showcase a lot of diverse backgrounds, industries.
If you were here at this conference, you know that the dynamic feeling that everyone has, the stage to audience learning, the cross-learning amongst the audience.
A lot of wonderful presenters, the content's awesome.
I think it fills a lot of gaps and shows you that there are still a lot of things that you don't know about reliability.
Anywhere you are on your reliability journey, beginning a reliability journey, in the midst of it, whether you're on top of it, you will benefit by coming to the Reliability Conference. I love it.
I've been in the Reliability Conference when it first came out, and for me it has been a journey of learning, of understanding what is out there, and to evolve as a professional, so absolutely.
It's good to branch out and see what other people are doing and potentially what you're missing out on.
And really immerse yourself in the experience, right? Go out and talk to people. Don't be scared. Everybody's willing to share, totally transparent. It's just such a great event.